Evolution is about the quest for perfection and getting better with every iteration to become a dominant force of nature.
Introducing the 2016 Chevrolet Camaro.
The next generation icon evolved from a line of legendary predecessors, completely redesigned in the name of performance. You can see it in the lower, slimmer proportions and dramatic fastback profile that were chiseled to perfection. You can feel it in its agile road handling and the refined, technologically advanced interior that always puts the driver first. The Camaro DNA isn't changing. As one of the most desired and dominant cars on the road, there wasn't any need for that. It's all new, yet undeniably all Camaro. This is intelligent design focused on unbridled power and precision. This is refinement and technology driven by purpose. This is the arrival of the fittest.